Welcome to our channel. Today, we'll show you how to add Disney Plus to your Roku in 2026, step by step. Whether you're a new Roku user or just upgrading your streaming apps, this guide will make it easy to start watching your favorite Disney, Marvel, and Star Wars content. Step 1. Turn on your Roku device. Make sure your Roku is connected to your TV and powered on. Use your Roku remote to navigate to the home screen. Ensure your Roku is connected to a stable Wi-Fi network for smooth installation. Step 2. Access the Streaming Channels menu. From the home screen, scroll down and select Streaming Channels. This is where you can browse or search for new apps to install. Step 3. Search for Disney Plus. Select the Search Channels option and type Disney Plus using the on-screen keyboard. Make sure you select the official Disney Plus app from the search results. Step 4. Add Disney Plus channel. Click Add Channel to start installing Disney Plus on your Roku. The installation should only take a few moments depending on your internet speed. Once installed, a confirmation message will appear. Step 5. Open Disney Plus. After installation, click Go to Channel to open Disney Plus. You can also find it anytime on your Roku home screen under your list of channels. Step 6. Sign in or subscribe. If you already have a Disney Plus account, enter your email and password to sign in. If not, follow the on-screen instructions to create a new account and start your subscription. Step 7. Start streaming. Once signed in, you can explore thousands of movies and shows from Disney, Pixar, Marvel, Star Wars, and National Geographic. Use your Roku remote to browse, search, and add favorites to your watch list. And that's it! Disney Plus is now ready on your Roku for endless streaming. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss our helpful tutorials.